Hi guys, today we're going to do session 8, and it says, today I want to teach you that readers deepen interpretation through collaboration and close reading. Before we jump into that, I just want to make sure that you guys are okay with what we're working on today. So I want to backtrack a little bit. Here's where today's work starts. So Miss Magnola gave you some vocabulary to look at about the mining camps. And then chapter 11 and 12 were split up with the videos. So here's chapter 11, this video, and then here's the chapter 12 video. So you guys have 2 different videos to watch for each chapter. And then we'll start with my lesson. All right, so we're going to think deeply about what we're reading. Okay, so we're not just reading a gold rush story. We are, but we're not. So we're going to dive a little bit deeper into themes again today. So it says, today we're going to take the themes that we started looking at yesterday, and we're going to think a little more deeply about them. So today I want you to choose one of your themes from yesterday, and then I want you to ask yourself this question: what is this book really about? Okay, so I want you to step back away from the gold rush and the events of the book and the plot of the story, and I want you to think about, is there something bigger here that we are learning? So stop and think, and I want you to think about life. So what are Jack and Praiseworthy learning about life? Okay, we know that they're on a gold rush journey. We know that they're heading to, now that they're in San Francisco, they're in the mining camps, but what are they really learning about each other? What are they learning about life? So if we go back to this chart, what did the characters learn? How are they growing? So they're changing a lot, okay? Jack and Praiseworthy are changing a lot. Their identity is changing, and they're growing a lot through their journey, their experiences, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to look at yesterday's work. You're going to look at yesterday's work. You're going to pick one of your 2 themes, and then you're going to expand on it for today's work. So you only have to do it with one of them. You don't have to do it with both, okay? You're going to take one of these themes, and now that we've read a little bit more of our story, I want you to, using one of your themes, answer this question: what is this book really about? I want you to write a paragraph using evidence from the text. And I said you have some from yesterday's lesson in the blue box. So think about that theme a little bit more closely. What is this book really about? Okay, take one of those 2 themes and dive deeper into it and add more evidence. Okay, so if you used, my example from yesterday was courage. So you had a couple bits of evidence about, if you use that one about them having courage. So talk about more events in the story, add to that. Have about 4 or 5 different bits of evidence. Okay, so I'll add that here. Have about 4 to 5 pieces of evidence to support your theme. Okay, so I want you can do bullet points, or you could just, well, it says write a paragraph. So write a paragraph. Okay, and what is this book really about? What is the bigger picture here? What are these characters learning about life? Okay, what are they learning through their journey, their gold rush journey about life? So that is our focus for today. Okay, and here's your stop sign so you know where to stop. Okay, so let us know if you have any questions about this. All right, and we will see you tomorrow. All right.